Hi guys, it's 6:30 p.m. and I'm in my room. It has been snowing outside since last 2 hours. It started snowing the moment I reached Sankri, and I don't know if we will be able to make it to the summit tomorrow or not. Not I don't know what about the summit. I don't even know we will be able to make it till Kedarkantha. Good morning, guys. It's a really chilling morning today, and we'll be going straight to the Kedarkantha base camp. Breakfast is being served. Let's see what's in breakfast. So we have suji ka halwa, and we have chila. So guys, how is the experience so far?
Amazing.
You loving it?
Loving it. Beautiful.
So that is the Jura Lake.
Oh, that's the lake.
Yeah. So generally if we would have started yesterday, we would have stayed here. But then as we couldn't move yesterday. Yeah. So we are at the Kedarkantha base camp, and we were supposed to stay here, but because of the snowfall yesterday we couldn't stay. And now we are waiting for our lunch, and after lunch we will be ascending towards the base camp. So we have gobi ki sabji, soya bean ki dal, and rice, chapatis and papad on the menu for lunch. And we even have gulab jamuns. And it has started snowing. Bad weather day. And we are serving hot Maggie and tea. And I hope Reese is loving it. Reese is a vegan, by the way, but here he's drinking tea. he will kill me for shooting this, but then
I'll fucking kill you.
but as it is said, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. So he's being a Roman right now.
I'm being a Roman Indian.
It's snowing outside and I'm just relaxing here. We have made a small fire for the kitchen and I'm sitting just beside it. I don't know if we will be able to do the summit tomorrow or not. Let's see what happens. This is our kitchen and we are serving dinner now. GoPro's battery is dead and my camera's battery is dead, so I have to do this with my cell phone. There's no route and now we'll be making a route up to the summit. This is the fresh route created by Pradeep just now. Guys, so this is the Searching Souls team making its way to the top. We have just opened the route so far till here and the summit is still half kilometer away and we need to make a route to the summit. I think we will be the first one to summit after fresh snowfall. Most of the groups have returned back and here is Pradeep. Pradeep is making the route with me. We have Anna, she's from Portugal. We have Reese, he's from Wales. And here I have Thomas, he's from England, London. So guys, we were aiming to reach here by 10 a.m. but it's just 9:42 and we have done it. The first team to reach the top after this huge snowfall we had from 27th to 29th. Just look at the Kedarkantha temple, it's completely covered in snow. Anna, you're not supposed to go there with your shoes on. It's a temple premises. And we have Thomas here. How do you feel, Thomas?
Absolutely amazing.
Reese, thanks to Reese, he helped us a lot in making a way and cutting the route. And Anna,
Thank you.
thank you for continuously walking and keeping up the pace. Great job guys.